Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO. How are you doing today? I'm starting a tour right now. This is on 27th Street in Oakland. Wonderful property. As you can see, it enjoys an outdoor area just outside the door, barbecue. And then the best part about it is you have secure parking. So let's go check this out before we start the property tour. Everyone has a designated spot. You can see it's all gated. Just spacious, makes for a great area. In fact, probably a good area if you wanted to play soccer or something as well. But let's go in. There's multiple units in this building. We're going to go into right now Unit E. And again, you see there's a front gate here as well. So it feels very, very secluded and away from the hustle and bustle of the street. Let me just close the door here and you just see how quiet it gets into the apartment. Everything, the owners have done just an amazing job. The owners are just very responsive. And so all gas range, deep sink, lots of cabinetry, nice closet in here, you can hang your coats and such. Wooden floors. Nice big refrigerator. Going here, we have more closet space. Really good. In fact, you can use this also as a desk, so you can put a chair there and make that a little home office if you wish. Definitely nice for COVID. Here's the bedroom. You have a heater, gas heater there. Let's show you the closet space. This is nice because there's a cutout here which really gives you extra space as well if you want a little sitting area. Lots of electrical outlets, 3-prong, nice white plank vinyl flooring here. And I'm going to try to stay out of all the mirrors. Look at that big rain shower right there. That's what a joy that will be to jump in the shower there. And of course, this is a nice big shower and bathroom area. If you're interested in this property, please visit our website. The link is below. And all the information is there. And this is 814 27th in Oakland. And it's right now March of 2021. And we'd be happy to show this property to you. Send us an email and we'll get you inside. All right, cheers, bye-bye.